Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to use inquiry commands. So the inquiry commands are just a specific set of commands, and the list is given to you on the worksheet that you have. So those are all the inquiry commands. Again, they're very simple. Once you know how to use them, it becomes very easy. Well, on your AutoCAD ribbon, so you have your ribbon here. For some of you, your ribbon is on the side. On the ribbon, you will see something that says Utilities. So all the inquiry commands are found in the Utilities button. So you click the down arrow, and then we're going to click here where it says Measure. We're going to click the down arrow again. And as you can see, we have almost all of the inquiry commands that you see in your table on your worksheet. So first we have distance. I'm going to show you how to use distance. It's very simple. I want to find the distance between this point and this point. It's 0.3814. Awesome. It's a lot like dimension, except it's a little different than dimension. I'm going to do distance again, because dimension is not as well, look, I can find the distance between these two points, and we can see that the distance between this corner and this corner is 0.6606. And then I can just click exit, and then it gets rid of it. So with dimension, it leaves the length there for you to look at. And with distance, it just lets you look at it just for a second. It's just if you want to know how long it is, but you don't want to leave the number sitting there after you're done. So there's distance. Next, let's look at radius. So it says select an arc or a circle. Select this circle, and there it is. It's really easy. The radius is 0.3303, and the diameter gives you the diameter as well. And then just go ahead and click exit. Let's do the next one. Go to utilities again, measure, down arrow, and we're going to find the angle between. So it says, remember, we always have to read what it says in that little gray rectangle. Select an arc, circle, line, or specify a vertex. So we're going to select a line. Second line. All right. So we can see here that first I selected this line, and then I selected this line, and it is showing me the angle between these two lines. So the angle here is 120 degrees. Great. What if I want to know the angle between this line and this line? You're like, well, there's no angle between those two lines because they don't connect. Well, what is the angle between these two lines if they were to connect? How about that for a question? Okay, what would this angle be? All right, let's figure out. So I'm going to go back up to utilities, measure, angle, select this line, then select that line. Oh, look, it's 60. All right, I bet I can figure that out without the aid of those two lines. So what would the angle be if this line connected with this line? Well, let's try it. Angle, so select this line, select this line, and there you go. I can't really see it behind there, but here it goes. You can read it right here. The purple, sorry, the gray rectangle, angle equals 60 degrees. And just click exit. We've already done area. So again, if you want to find the area of this hexagon, then you just click every single corner. Really quickly, what if I just wanted to find the area of half of the hexagon? Well, I can find the area of half the hexagon. Once I get here, I can see that this is half of the hexagon. I just click enter. It gives me only the area of whatever is shaded in green. Okay, so you can keep that in mind as well. And Lastly, for this video, I want to show you ID point. So ID point is, I think, near the bottom of the table that you have on your worksheet. So ID point, I'm going to click ID point, and it just simply tells me the coordinates of wherever my cursor is. So you can see these two numbers next to my cursor. We have 2.6 and 0.09. Well, if I go up, you can see that the right number is changing. That's because the right number is the y value. I'm going to go down to 0. Okay, now we're at a y value of 0, about 0. And then I'm going to go to the left. I'm going to go to the x value of 0. So I'm going to go to the origin. You're going to see the x value turns to 0. So there you go. You can see anywhere. It just tells me the coordinates of wherever my cursor is at. So that might be helpful at some point. All right, thank you very much for watching.